Okay, hello friends, I am Siddharth Mehta. This is the lecture of power system 2. Okay, in previous lecture we already studied the nominal T network of for medium transmission line. Okay, in previous lecture we already studied a nominal T network of medium transmission line. In this lecture we will study the nominal pi network of transmission line. Okay, here the difference between T network, pi network and end condenser method for medium transmission line is just dependent on position of C. Okay, it is just classified according to position of capacitor. Okay, shunt capacitor. Okay, in T network you must remember that C is connected here. Okay, at the center of line. Okay, C is connected at center of line. Okay, and this R and XL is divided into two section, R by 2 XL by 2 and R by 2 XL by 2. Okay, that is the T network. Okay, now in pi network we are considering that R and XL here. Okay, at the center, so there is no division. Okay, of R and XL, and we are dividing capacitor as sending end and at receiving end. Okay, so half capacitance is available or represented at sending end and second half capacitance is represented at receiving end. Okay, so this is C by 2, this is C by 2 and this is combination of R and XL. Okay, you know that this is the sending end side VSIS, this is the receiving end side VRIR. Okay, this is current flowing through the RXL, it is represented by IL. The current flowing through the first capacitance or current flowing through the sending end side capacitor is represented by IC1. Okay, and the current flowing through the receiving end capacitance is represented by IC2. Okay, so here you can see that IS, IC1, IL, IC2 and IR. So if you are adding IR with IC2, okay, if you are adding IR with IC2 then it will consist IL, and if you are adding IL with IC1 then it will consist IS. Okay, now we will study the phasor diagram. Okay, here you can see that the phasor diagram. Okay, this is the VS, this is the VR. Okay, VS represent the sending end voltage, VR represent the receiving end voltage. Okay, now IR is lagging behind VR. Okay, IR is lagging behind VR, so VR, this is IR. Okay, IR is lagging behind VR and that angle is known as phi r. So you can see that the angle between VR phasor and angle between IR phasor is given by phi r. Second, the angle between VS and IS. Okay, this is the VS, IS will lagging behind the VS. Okay, so this is the IS, this is the VS, and angle between VS and IS is given by phi s. Okay, VR VS, IR IS. Okay, now connect VR with VS. Okay, so VR is always less than VS. Okay, આની કરતા VS કરતાં હંમેશા VR લેસ હશે. કેટલું લેસ હશે? તો કે જેટલો ડ્રોપ થયો એટલો. સો ઇટ્સ ડ્રોપ ઇઝ રિપ્રેઝન્ટ બાય IL ઇન્ટુ Z. ઓકે, IL ઇન્ટુ Z, વચ્ચે જે આટલો IL ઇન્ટુ Z ડ્રોપ થાય છે એટલું હશે, બરાબર. ઓકે, સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ IL ઇન્ટુ Z. હવે આનો તમે ડિવિઝન કર્યો તો કેમ થાય? તો કે IL ઇન્ટુ R પ્લસ IL ઇન્ટુ XL, બરાબર. એટલે કે Z નું ડિવિઝન કર્યું R અને XL ના ફોર્મમાં, અહીંયા 90 ડિગ્રી હોય. સો ધીસ ઇઝ કમ્પ્લીટેડ. ઓકે, now again we will come here. Okay, IR and IS, આ બંને ફેઝર ખબર છે. ઓકે, IR અને IS. હવે આપણે અહીંયા સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇન ડ્રો કરીએ તો એવું કહેવાય કે IR પ્લસ આ સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇન ઇક્વલ ટુ IS. એટલે IR હોય એ IR પ્લસ આનું એડિશન કરીએ આ સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇનનું તો IS જેટલું થાય. તો આમાં શું છે? તો કે IR પછી આ છે IC2 IC1. સો આઈ કેન સે ધેટ IR પ્લસ IC2 પ્લસ IC1 ઇક્વલ ટુ IS. IR પ્લસ IC2 પ્લસ IC1 ઇક્વલ ટુ IS. આ બંનેનું એડિશન કરીએ તો IS થાય. તો ફિગર ઉપરથી જોઈ શકાય કે શું છે? તો કે IR પ્લસ IC2 પ્લસ IC1 ઇક્વલ ટુ IS. એટલે IC1 IC2 અને IRનું એડિશન કરીએ તો IS થાય. હા, તો ફિગર ઉપર જોઈ શકાય IR IC2 IC1 તો IS થાય. ઓકે, સેકન્ડ અહીંયા થર્ડ ફેઝર ડ્રો કર્યો છે IL. તો IL શું છે? તો કે ઇટ ઇઝ કોમ્બિનેશન ઓફ IR પ્લસ IC2. IR પ્લસ IC2 ઇક્વલ ટુ IL. ઓકે, તો અહીંયાથી જોઈ શકાય IR પ્લસ IC2 ઇક્વલ ટુ IL. ઓકે, સો ધીસ ઇઝ IR પ્લસ IC2 ઇક્વલ ટુ IL. Okay, so this is the phasor representation from that circuit. Okay, this is the phi 2 angle between the VR and IS. Okay, so this is the representation, okay, of phasor diagram. Now this is some equation available. VR equal to VR plus J0. This is the complex voltage, complex current. IR equal to cos pi r minus J sin pi r. Okay, two charging currents are available. Okay, two charging currents are available. One is current flowing through receiving end side, and second is current flowing through the sending end side. Okay, so this is IC1, this is IC2. Okay, so this is the equation of IC1, IC2. Okay, j omega c by 2, j omega c by 2, but multiply with VR and VS. This is sending end side, so multiply with VS. This is receiving end side, so multiply with VR. Okay, this is the simple equation of current flowing through the capacitor. Okay, now again one equation is available, IL equal to IR plus IC. Okay, IL equal to IR plus IC. So you can also see that IL equal to IR plus IC2. Okay, so IL equal to IR plus IC2. Actually અહીંયા IC2 આવે, બરાબર, લખવામાં પ્રોબ્લેમ છે, બરાબર, અહીંયા IC2 આવે. ઓકે, IL equal to IR plus IC2, and last one is VS equal to VR plus IL R plus JX. The supply and voltage હશે કેટલો હશે, તો કે VR plus આ વોલ્ટેજ ડ્રોપ જેટલો. ઓકે, સો એ પણ આપણે ફિગર ઉપરથી જોઈ શકીએ કે VS બરાબર આ કેટલો હોય, તો કે VR plus આની અક્રોસના વોલ્ટેજ ડ્રોપ જેટલો. Okay, so this is some formulas or equations available or driven from the phasor diagram or circuit. Okay, now this is again the third circuit of medium transmission line. Okay, this is the end condenser method. Okay, in this method we are taking capacitor at receiving end side. Okay, we are putting capacitor, whole capacitor at receiving end side. Okay, so capacitor means condenser, it is put at end of the transmission line. So this method is known as end condenser method. Okay, end condenser method means we are putting condenser or capacitor at end of transmission line. It means end means receiving end side. Okay, so this is the VSIS generation RL RL XL. Okay, combination of RXL and putting capacitor at receiving end side VRIR. Okay, so this is the figure of end condenser method. Okay, you will also get the phasor diagram for end condenser method. Okay, but you have to do it in self study. Okay, so this lecture is related to pi method and end condenser method used for medium transmission line study. Okay, so this lecture is completed. Okay, if you have any query, then please write it into the comment box. Okay, thank you.